In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and resize container columns in Card. If you're building a clean, responsive layout in Card, columns inside a container are the fastest way to place content side by side. Think text next to an image or three features across. We'll start from a fresh canvas, add a container, switch it to columns, and fine-tune the widths so everything lines up just right. First, head to your Card dashboard and open a new project. Choose New Site, and when the template picker opens, select Blank Page. A blank canvas makes it easy to see exactly what the container is doing without other styles getting in the way. On the canvas, open the Add menu and insert a container. By default, a container acts as a simple wrapper, but we want it to hold multiple columns. In the Container Settings panel, locate the Type option and change it to Columns. The container instantly splits into side-by-side boxes. You'll notice size ratios displayed for each box. These numbers represent the relative widths of the columns within the container. For example, a 1:1 ratio means equal columns, while 2:1 makes the first column twice as wide as the second. This is helpful when you have content that needs more breathing room, like a wider text area next to a smaller image. Use the width controls to adjust each column to your preference. Slide the handles or enter values to reach the balance you want. Don't worry about perfection on the first try. You can tweak these at any time as you add content and see how it wraps. A quick tip, aim for a total that visually feels like 100% across. Card handles the math behind the scenes, but your eye test is usually the best guide. If your layout needs more than 2 columns, use Add within the column settings to create another box. You can keep adding until your design calls it, then fine-tune each column's width so headlines, images, and buttons feel consistent. When you're happy with the structure, click Done to save the container settings. From here, you can proceed to publish as you normally would, and your column layout will carry over exactly as designed. Before wrapping up, preview your page on different screen sizes to confirm everything stacks and reads comfortably. That's it, you've added and resized container columns in Card with a clean, flexible workflow.